Yeah, I've talked before about depression and anxiety and some of my statuses and comments and things. And it's something that I suffered for years. Suffered from, I should say. Suffered far too. Uh, right now, I'm kicking my depression and anxiety's ass. I have it bent over the kitchen table and I'm pulling its hair. You know what I mean? But it ain't always been this way. And Mindy McCready being in the news lately, she was a country singer who suffered from severe depression and anxiety issues, and she battled alcohol and drug abuse, which is very common when you have mental health issues because you try to self-medicate because our healthcare system is severely lacking and inadequate when it comes to mental health awareness and issues and treatment and so forth and so on. You know, statistics show 1 in 3 people will suffer from some sort of anxiety or depression in their lifetime. So you can sit there and say, it's not going to affect me. Well, if you're a husband or wife and you have a spouse, that's 2 people. Let's say you have 2 kids, that's 4 people. Odds are one of y'all is going to have a bout with anxiety or depression in your lifetime, you know. So I'm all about, that's my thing, remove the stigma, baby. Remove the stigma. Because that's what leads a lot of people to the alcohol and drug dependency, is the stigma. They don't want to go to a doctor and tell them they have mental health issues. And I know people that, when they went to the doctor and told them their problems, the doctors told them, you have some depression, anxiety, we need to put you on medicine. And they changed doctors because it can't happen to them. Can't happen to them. You know. So, I mean, like I say, I'm kicking this ass right now, but I've had depression and anxiety issues for years. And I know one day the symptoms will reoccur. I know it will happen again. And I try to stay strong and medicine-wise and all the other good stuff, but I don't know, just ever since Mindy McCready Sunday, I've just been thinking a lot about it, and I always drop the ball because I'm always going to raise awareness on this, but it's like I only talk about it when it's happening to me, you know, and then when it's gone away, it's like I just, hey, leave it alone, you know, and that's not the way it's, I'm going to make a better effort to raise awareness in my everyday life, thus this video, and I'll be doing other things. But if you're having any symptoms of depression or anxiety, go see your physician. Tell them your symptoms. Get some help. We need to all band together and try to demand a better healthcare system that understands more about mental health issues. And we need to not shun the members of society who suffer from this. It's a hard thing to get under control sometimes. You will do some weird, crazy, out there stuff sometimes, man. But that's probably the 3 main things we need to do. So, out of all the videos I've ever shot, this is probably the hardest one, and it's probably the most important. So, just think about that. Y'all have a good day.